Today's video, the 70 Chevelle SS454, this is an LS5. This is the car that you would buy if Mama said you ain't getting one unless you get air conditioning. So LS6 has no AC, LS5 has AC, and of course you still get the 4-speed. So, you know, it's the biggest, baddest Chevelle you can get in 1970 with air conditioning. So it's high horse, 4-speed, 454, and this is a totally correct, restored, numbers matching Chevelle. This one's on its way to Barrett-Jackson. So we'll see you guys there. We'll do a little walk around here, and I'll keep the video going as it goes out the gate. Original red car, of course. Got it all. This is the one.
Undersider?
Yeah, I'll get a little shot of underneath the car. I don't know how good the video will show up, but we'll give you a little shot of what's going on underneath there.
You know what we forgot to say about the blue one's got AM FM radio.
Oh, yeah. Trying to think about all the things to tell you about the cars, and sometimes we forget little details. Yeah, it's got the AM FM radio in this one too, so lots of good stuff. There it goes. See you guys in Las Vegas.